Hi, welcome to My Cute Tunes. Today we're going to draw something from my coloring book. It's an old tractor. You can check out the link below if you want to look at my coloring book that's available on Amazon. This is one of the pictures that we will draw. So let's begin. As usual, we're going to start with the eyes. So we're going to draw the eyes. We're going to make nice round eyes on top. And as usual, we're going to draw the irises. So I'm going to draw two little irises on both eyes. Then light reflections, as usual. I'm going to draw two little light reflections, and then this side I'll draw another light reflection. Next we're going to draw the pupils. And let's fill the pupils in. Now we're going to draw the eyelids. You're going to draw two little curves on top, and on this side you're going to draw another curve on top. And now for the top part of the eyelid, and we're going to do the same with this side as well. Then right below that I'm going to draw the nose. So I'm going to draw a little straight line, and I'm going to curve it in the front down. I'm going to bring it down, and I'm just going to draw a little line down like that. And that's going to be the nose area. And then below that, I'm just going to draw a rectangle above that. And in this rectangle, I'm going to draw a line down, and I'm going to fill in this side as well. Now we can continue with the nose of the tractor. So this is an old classic tractor. And we're going to draw the hood of this tractor. And then right below that, we're going to draw a grill, and on this side we're going to do the same thing. And then we're just going to fill in this side to give a little bit of contrast in the grill area. There we go. And now for the smile, right here I'm going to draw a little smile and a little corner down there, and then from here we're going to do the same thing, bottom of the mouth, and maybe a little lip area right there. And I'm going to draw the teeth, so there's little teeth here as well for the smile. Now right behind the grill I'm going to draw two lights, and I'm going to give it a corner, and on this side about the same height we're going to draw another light, and then the back part of the light. Nice round curve. And then from here you're going to draw a little round line. You're going to follow it up, and you're going to connect it to the back of the light. And then right here you're going to take it down, you're going to connect it to the lip there as well. And then right here at the bottom we're just going to draw another piece of metal sticking out. This is just for some interest that we can do that. And now it's time for the wheel. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to draw the inside of the wheel, but I'm just going to stop there, because here it's going to be sort of a block and the wheel as well. And there we have a wheel. You take it back, piece of metal going back, and there we go. There's one part of it. And now I'm going to draw the wheel. So the wheel is going to be nice and round, and I'll take it back like this, and maybe we can put some thread there as well. That's going to look kind of interesting. Then I want to draw a little bits and pieces of the engine just to give it an idea that this might be an engine. You can draw your own bits and pieces. Just make a bunch of blocks and interesting shapes. There we go. And maybe I'll just draw a pipe, another piece of block there, and another pipe there. There we go. There we go, and there's the engine. On this side I want to draw the other wheel. I'm going to draw the same sort of curvy there as well, curvy line there as well. Now from here on top, I'm going to draw a little line backwards, bring it back, thin line back, and connect it there. That's going to be the top of the roof. And right here on top, I'm going to draw the roof. Below that, maybe a little window, and a little door handle, a back window. We got the two windows, and maybe we can draw a little door right here. There we got a door for our little tractor. Maybe something around here. And then the back. I'm just going to draw a curvy line out. And now for a wheel. Got a wheel. You put it around like this, and we'll draw the other wheel as well, the outside of the wheel as well. And then last but not least, a little fender that goes over the wheel. And we can do this. And I'll make tread for a tractor. You can draw these zigzag lines. There we go. And on this side, we can do the same. There we go. And maybe we can draw some treads. Go down on this side as well. And last but not least, let's finish it up with maybe a little line out and another line there to connect it. And there's our little farm tractor. Old classical farm tractor. Look how beautiful. So now you can look at my picture and you can try to color it in. But if you like, look on Amazon. I have the link right here below, and you can get the coloring book and we can color it in together. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And leave me a comment if you want me to draw something else. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.